Ever wondered what makes railway tracks safe, durable, and capable of handling high-speed trains without failure? It all starts with smart design, precision in materials, and rigorous maintenance. That's exactly what this course helps you master. Presenting the 4-hour certificate course on railway track engineering from Railway Academy, a concise, self-paced program tailored to give you high-impact skills in track design and engineering. Who is this for? This course is perfect for engineers from civil, electrical, electronic, communication, or computer backgrounds who want to move into railway track design projects. Whether you have some experience or you are starting fresh, this course works for you, especially if you are aiming to take on design roles for track engineering in India or internationally. What will you learn? Over 4 sessions, you will cover Introduction to Track Engineering and recent developments, why track engineering matters, plus up-to-date trends shaping the future, key components of railway track, rails, sleepers, fasteners, ballast, subgrade, switches, the building blocks, track design and construction, design principles, spotting defects and considerations like misalignment, slab track pros and cons, and soil-subsoil behavior, maintenance and safety, inspection, safety procedures, vehicle track interaction, and upkeep for long-term reliability. What you will be able to do after completing the course: explain how each component, rails, sleepers, ballast, embankment, switches, contributes to track stability and performance. Design basic track layouts and spot potential design flaws like misalignment or faulty formations. Evaluate whether slab track or traditional ballast track is better for a given project. Apply maintenance checks and safety practices to ensure track integrity and reduce wear or failure. Work confidently as part of a track design or maintenance teams, submitting informed inputs and understanding what makes track systems resilient. This course gives you expert design knowledge compressed into 4 hours, practical, usable, and globally relevant. If you want to strengthen your technical foundation in track engineering and add a qualification that opens international and local doors, this is it. Enroll now with Railway Academy. Build your confidence to design, evaluate, and maintain track infrastructures that stand up to real-world demands.